Hello all. Today we are going to tell you about the Physarum polycephalum, popularly called as a brainless blob or slime mold that can think. So welcome to yet another episode of Amazing World, where we show you the most amazing things all over the world and also the universe. In this video, we will tell you about the slime mold, clarify whether it's a fungi or not, about its discovery, its natural habitat, why is it so unique and intelligent, and a lot more. So stay tuned. Doesn't have a brain or a nervous system, but can learn or solve a problem. Neither an animal nor a plant, not even a fungi. Doesn't have a mouth or stomach, but can eat food. Loves eating oats. That's a slime mold or the blob, the newest attraction and a Paris zoo. Physarum polycephalum, popularly known as a blob, is a myxomycete, which means they exhibit characteristics of both protozoans and fungi. It was first discovered by von Schweinitz in 1822. One interesting fact is that the Japanese Emperor Hirohito, who reigned from 1926 to 1989, was known to be fascinated by slime molds and even wrote a book devoted to them under a false identity. So where are these slime molds found? Even though they are found in labs for research purposes and studies, and now have even reached the International Space Station, but their home sweet home is in the nature. In nature, Physarum polycephalum is most commonly found in cool, humid, dark places, such as leaf litter and other organic debris in forests. There has been a lot of controversy regarding their identity for a long time. Slime molds actually comes under the domain Eukarya, as they have membrane-bound organelles, true nuclei, and a plasma membrane. Unlike the popular belief, the slime mold is actually a protist, not a fungi. Slime molds are classified under the kingdom Protista. The one reason for them being a protist is their ingestion of food. Unlike fungi, that produces enzymes that break down organic matter into chemicals that are then absorbed through their cell walls, not ingested. Well, if you're not a plant, animal, or even a fungi, the kingdom Protista is where you belong to. You could say it's an alien on its very own home planet. A shapeshifter throughout its life, it changes shape from microscopic amoeba to a multinucleate syncytium, which can be as large as several feet across and then forming millimeter-scale, delicate, mushroom-like fruiting bodies. The slime mold thrives as a single-celled organism until there is food scarcity. When the food is scarce, single large cell containing multiple diploid nuclei replicate their DNA and divide synchronously. These single cells are capable of becoming very large. When a plasmodium is starved and then exposed to light, it will sporulate to form bulbs called fruiting bodies. They are subjects of many studies and researches important problems from a non-human perspective, specifically for research into motility, cellular differentiation, stellar compatibility, and the cell cycle. Recently, it was sent to the International Space Station to see how it reacts to microgravity. So what makes the Physarum polycephalum so special or unique? Well, there are quite a handful of features of this brainless blob, which will surely surprise you, like it has 720 sexes. It can learn, make decisions, and can solve a maze game. Can solve the shortest path problem, build a replica Tokyo subway just with some scattered oat flakes, can heal itself in minutes if it's cut, etc. Please note that it does all these without a brain or a nervous system. Perhaps the most mind-blowing experiment was the replica Tokyo subway. In this experiment, the scientists just placed the slime mold onto the map of Tokyo with urban cities marked with food. And guess what? The slime mold created a network exactly identical to Tokyo's efficient rail network. Hope you liked the video. Have you ever come across a slime mold, or are you planning to visit the Paris Zoological Park to meet this clever little brainless blob? Do let us know by leaving a comment below right now.